Welcome, everyone. It's the 5th day of our program, and today we're going to start the hackathon, so the real competition. So far, you had 4 days of lectures, and the real thing is really starting today. So for the next 3 days, you'll work with teams of 5 people on a use case, mentored by experts on the domain. Experts either from Quantinuum or from industrial companies that are partnering with us for the 3 days that are bringing use cases. So I'm going to finish introducing the rules of the hackathon. Then I'm going to give the mic to the different industrial mentors for a few sentences so that they can just say their name, from which company they come, so that you can also identify them if you want to talk to them later on. And after that, Jean will indicate the different rooms we have for the different teams. So you'll work in a collaborative manner during this next 3 days. For the people who did give me their GitHub ID yesterday, I did add you on the GitHub repos of your team. If you did not give me the GitHub ID and you want to give it to me today, I'll run into the different rooms to gather your IDs to add you to the repo where you will find the use case. For the people who have a problem accessing the GitHub repo, I'll also help you with this. And on Sunday morning, you will present your solutions in front of a jury, and you will be judged on 4 criteria that I'm going to write again on Slack later on today. So basically, you will be judged on whether you added any value on top of established approaches, meaning whether you just copy-pasted some random code online or you redid something by yourself. The second criterion will be about the investigation of the scalability of your solution. If your solution has an exponential complexity, then we'll never have any quantum advantage. And if we know it from scratch, then that might not be the best solution to start with. The third criterion will be about the quality of your presentation. And the fourth criterion will be about the quality of your answers to the question of the jury. You will be judged actually by both the jury and also your mentors. So the mark will be like 2/3 from the jury and 1/3 from your mentors. And will basically be the same criteria for your mentors. But since they did follow you for 3 days, they'll also have some bit of insight of how your team did perform. So on these few words, I will give the mic to the different industrial mentors so that they can introduce themselves. Thomas, you're first, because you've done that exercise already.
So hi, I'm Thomas. As you see, come from the commitment. You know this T-shirt maybe from yesterday. So I'm from the company called Merck. There are 2 Mercks in the world. We are the good ones. So we are the German-based company. So we do pharmaceuticals. We are the Amazons of chemicals. So whatever you need, you get it from us. And we are a supplier for the electronics industry. I brought a challenge on transparent AI and natural language processing because we are super interested to make interesting things with natural language processing. And I will be really keen also to learn from the other challenges and exchange who's doing what, because we are not doing the obvious, which I know that BMW is doing the obvious, doing quantum chemistry. So therefore, I'm really interested also to see what the other teams are delivering. And if you need me, grab me, I'm out.
Thanks, Thomas.
Yeah, hi. I'm Francesca from Capgemini. We're a big consultancy company for IT and technology. And yeah, we're interested in new innovations, and quantum is definitely an innovation. And that's why we're working here on quantum computing tasks. And I brought a use case from quantum chemistry, which is quite interesting. Excitation energies of molecules. And yeah, my background is a little bit, I'm coming from theoretical chemistry. So I have a background of all these excited states and chemistry. And yeah, I'm happy to see what you deliver there.
Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, I'm Alessia Marruzzo. I'm from Eni. We are an energy company. I'm in the HPC. I'm from the HPC department, and I'm a physicist by training. So I'm very excited to be here and also to learn. I brought a case related to a machine learning problem on focusing on a photovoltaic power plant. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Giacomo. I'm from Intesa Sanpaolo, one of the biggest banks in Italy. We have brought a use case on quantum machine learning and fraud detection. And if you want to know something more, there are me and my colleague Glen Biga. We are happy to answer all of your questions, and many, many thanks.
Hi, I'm Chandan, and I'm from BMW Group, and we brought the obvious quantum chemistry use case. And it's part of like ongoing research, like platinum cluster for catalysis, so like for fuel cells. And the idea is to look into different quantum anja that we label. And also, like if they succeed faster, then there will be some more additional challenge added to that, depending on how fast they move the team.
Hi everyone, I'm Matteo Malosetti from Assicurazioni Generali. I belong to the Generali Group Head Office Data Science team. Generali is one of the major insurance companies in Italy and worldwide. We brought an application of prediction of defaults of companies. So the use case is called credit risk contagion with real data, and yes, the goal would be to predict and understand the diffusion of default of financial institutions in the market. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Filipa. I come from Quantinuum. We started as a hardware company, but now we are developing software, and we brought the challenge using a VQE. So you'll need to learn Parseval, our software, and implement something in it. Thank you.
Do you want to say a few words?
Hello, my name is Abdullah Leisa. I came from a company called Saudi Aramco. It's the largest oil and gas integrated company in the world, and we brought a use case in cryptography, cybersecurity. We know the risk of all of the information going around, so it's a very interesting topic to engage you and all of the energy in the room here. Thank you very much.
Okay, so now the point is to find you spots. So you will be 5 plus 1 mentor each, so you don't need so much space each time. This room is huge, so I think at least 4 or 5 teams could consider staying here. There are other spots, so maybe I can bring you around. So for those who've seen a bit around ICTP, if you see where the cafeteria is, at the first floor, just on the left of the cafeteria, there is a nice spot with large blackboards. So I think we can put 2 teams there. On the same corridor, just in front of the cafeteria, you go towards that direction. There is a small spot with another blackboard and chairs, okay? And also close to the cafeteria, just after this huge space with the blackboards, there is a room called Stasi Room, where we can put at least 3 teams. You have blackboards, you can also plug your computers on the screen if you need to share anything. So in case there are not enough plugs available close by, what we can provide to you are this kind of extensions, these plugs. They should be enough for every team, so please take 1. They should be few hidden somewhere there, so you can also take them or leave them here for those who stay in that room. If 1 or 2 are missing, just tell me and I'll find others. So once you have found your spot, just stay there. And okay, so just maybe for lunchtime, you can put a small piece of paper saying, this is our spot for the day, please leave this space free. Okay, people know there is this hackathon going on. Tomorrow ICTP is just for us, so they won't be that problem. So essentially the point is just find a place where you feel at ease and stay there, and there should be plenty of space, okay? So if you have any issue with anything missing, just come to me and I'll find a solution, okay? So enjoy your day and good luck to all the teams.
Attends, exactement. I think your 4 teams should be here.
My 4 teams.
To make things simpler, 4 teams should stay here. The team working on QNLP and ZX calculus. Because Richie is going to help you on those 4 projects. And cybersecurity, obviously.
Where's Team 16? Team 16, anywhere? This is your mentor, you have to find your mentor. Just say that you're going to say the tutorial.
Oh yeah, we're going to have the tutorial and the presentation about the use case.
16. Yeah, okay, good.
Where should we go?
So this is what we could do.